Hello, hello, hello. Texas Garden Girl Anissa here. What it do, people? Well, today I'm going to be doing a haul of some stuff that I picked up. Um, some of it from Dollar Tree and some of it from the 99-cent store. The first item is this garden netting. It is 32 feet by 10 M's meters. Well, yeah, I got this garden netting, and I got three of these, and I also got these Crafter Square craft clamps. And what I was going to do and this is a 6-piece, and they're heavy duty clamps. I intend on using these to sort of make an enclosure around my the main area where I have my most of my plants underneath the canopy, to keep out the cats and the dogs and the whatever critters. And I just want to try it out, see how it works. If it doesn't, I mean, $2, but I'm sure it'll deter somebody from coming up in there. But anyways, I got three of those, 3 packages of these for $1.99 each, and 2 packages of these, the 6-piece heavy duty crafting clamps. I also got these at the 99-cent store, and I've already used 2 of them on my peppers. So I got 3 of them, and it says a 23 by 6 inch tomato cage, but it's kind of small, and I'm sure not sturdy enough to hold up a tomato plant. So what I was going to do is, like I said, use them on my pepper plants. So yeah, I'm going to see how they work out. I've already put 2 of them down. Oh yeah, I got these from Dollar Tree. It's Crafter Square organizer. See, this is also something that I feel would be great for storing your seeds. Organizer box, and it has 8 compartments from Dollar Tree. Oh yeah, and I got these. I got 2 of these. These are garden dish, floral garden dish, and from the looks of it, it would be great for, like succulents. Put some, see the picture. Put some little succulents in there, and if you want to beautify your garden. I'm going to use these on my little tables that are in the garden to, make it look cute. Put some little cactuses or whatever, cacti. And also, hold on just a minute. I got the Garden Collection plant hanger. It's the wire metal plant hangers for the hanging baskets. I got one of those. I want to try it out and see how well it works. And this last bunch of stuff, I already opened it, but I'm still going to show it. I got some Dollar Tree tools. And first I got this tool bench hardware tape measure, 16 feet by 5 meters. Tape measure. And this is like it's a tool. It has like a lot of little Allen wrenches on there. See, I pulled one out. And then a little package of mini magnetic screwdrivers. And this box cutter blade type thing. I've already used it. And it comes also in the package, it comes with 2 extra blades. I also got a level, and it's magnetic on the bottom. See the magnetic strip on the bottom. Good for my little DIY projects, you know, so I don't have to go into my husband's tools. I have my own. Then I got a 2-pack of screwdrivers. One's a flathead and one is a Phillips, and they're magnetic tip. And this third item, it actually was supposed to be a 4-piece, but by the time I got home I realized that somebody had opened the pack and taken one of the small ones out. But it has like 2 medium size magnetic screwdrivers, 1 flathead, 1 Phillips, and then it's supposed to come with 2 small ones, 1 Phillips, 1 flathead, but like I said, somebody got me. And to put all the tools in, a handy dandy little toolbox for $1. So I can take all of my little tools, put them in the toolbox, snap it, and there you have it. Dollar Tree toolbox. And like I said, I've already been using some of the stuff out of it, so they work fine for me. I guess that's it for now. Thank you all for watching. Texas Garden Girl Anissa, and that's what it do. Peace out.